Saan? Saan magagaling? Yun, makyat pala. Oh my God! Girls, I'm sorry. Girls, magpahinga muna kayo. Lahat ng girls dyan. Still got this. Hindi, joke lang, baka maano kayo. Hindi, joke. Bias ko yan. Boyfriend ko yan, ha. Huwag niyo akong awayin. Still got. Ang sarap tignan, hayop. Ang galing. Shaggy D, performed by Beanie. Tapos nandito si Stel Ahero, G22, Kaya. Man, is this a dream? Because if it is, it's a dream come true. And it just came true. So magpe-perform ang Beanie, G22, Kaya with Stel ng Shaggy D. Shaggy D, Shapopo. Alright, so that's a fun song. Okay, let's see no, ano ang ating makikita. And I'm so excited kay Stel. Ako kasi yung boyfriend niya po, no? So, subscribe kayo kasi boyfriend ko si Stel. Inangkin. Oh, inangkin. Let's go. Start na natin. Okay, Shaggy D, no? Let's see, man, Stel. Okay, Beanie here. Hey, man, dumadaan yung Cebu Pacific. Excuse them. Hindi nagsusponsor, dumadaan-daan. Okay. Ito yung boss na yun. Maloy. Ang ingay ng ano, kinakanta nila. Beanie is nice na magaling silang sumayaw tsaka kumanta dito. Tawag nito? Halatang hindi nagpo-post si Stel kasi hinahanap ko. Bias. Napaka-bias. Wala. Mapaka-bias mo, ha? Galing na Beanie dito, ha? Okay. Okay. Ayan! Ayan, napakalakas ng boses nun. Angas ng boses. Si Aya ba yun? God damn, ang kapal pa ng boses niya. Oh! Diba? Kanina medyo mahina pa ang boses, pero nung napunta na sa kanya, rinig na rinig ko na eh. Damn, that's live. Mahina lang boss nyo. Ito. Damn. Oh, yata Miko. Hindi ko pa nakita. Nagulat ako. Bigla pumasok. Oh my God! Si Stel nandun. G22 nandun. Nakitang-kita ko si Stel tsaka G22. Ang liwanag ng ulo ng G22. Oh my God! That's definitely a surprise. That was a surprise. Kasi biglaan. God damn. Okay, man. Let's go. Man. I would want I mean SB19 and Beanie doesn't have any problems, no, really speaking. It's just the fans. So I just wish, man, time would come na, you know, we get to be in a peaceful, you know, hindi nananaig yung comparison, man. Yung meron lang mutual respect. I would like to have that shit, man. Meron lang talaga ng mga ilang fans na taking it too far, no? Kadalasan. Okay? I'm excited. Let's go. Still. Let's see. Beanie is nice, huh? It's their song. It's amazing. Let's see other people who's doing it. Saan? Saan magagaling? Yun, makyat pala. Oh my God! Girls, I'm sorry. Girls, magpahinga muna kayo. Lahat ng girls dyan. Still got this. Hindi, joke lang. Baka maano kayo. Hindi, joke. Bias ko yan. Boyfriend ko yan, ha. Huwag niyo kong awayin. Still got. Ang sarap tignan, hayop. Ang galing. Wait lang, sino kasama ni Stel? Si excuse me? Alfea. G22. Sino ngayon kasama? G22. Stel. Ba't nakalagay G22? Lahat ba sila? Yung tatlo? Kaya? Nandyan ba lahat? Kasi sa SB19, si Stel lang, meaning siya isa. Dapat nilagay nila yung pangalan nung G22 Alfea. Di siya lang nakita ko. Wala naman yung iba. Nandyan ba yung iba? Tapos yung Kaya na member. Parang isa-isa lang ata eh. Isa-isa ba per member? Per group? Parang tatlo lang sila kasi. G22 Alfea, si SB19 Stel, and Kaya. Sorry, I still don't watch other P-pop groups pa, no? Nakafocus pa ako sa ilan ngayon kasi it's overwhelming, man. Okay, so let's watch it again. Bias. Let's go. Let me make it sure, man. Parang kaboses ni Mika eh. Pero si Aya pala yun, ang kapal. Ba't siya si Mika? Oh my gosh! God damn! Thank you, man. I'm so happy to see that. Bukod sa nakita ko si Stel, masayang-masaya ako. Nakita ko si G22 Alfea. I love G22 as well. Napakagaling nilang tatlo doon. With another group of Kaya. Really good dancers. As you can see, napakamakuli at napakagaling ng P-pop. You know, everybody has their own advantages and talents, and yung mas umaangat sa kanya-kanya nilang shit. We don't have to fight for that, but all that we know is all of them are talented. That's definitely a fact, diba? So let's finish this one, man. Amazing. Ganda ni Alfea. Sa Alfea ba yun? Yung kulay yung hair. Napakaputi niya. God damn. Go, Beanie. God damn. The synchronization of these girls, bro. May ganun pa. Damn. That's why they're famous, bro. Yeah. Well, all I can say is that P-pop is really, man, I think P-pop is the best in the world right now when it comes to pop, group pop music. I think P-pop is the loudest right now. Being led by SB19 and Beanie, and being followed by these amazing talented artists, obviously, no? Well, I'm just so happy to see them in one frame. Kahit bias ako kay Steph because he's my boyfriend ko yung boy. Yeah. I'm so happy, man. Very amazing. Very nice collaboration and dance song. Napakagaling. So, that was definitely a treat. And if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to do 20k, so maraming salamat, Masters. This has been Curbs PH. This has been Curbs PH, and you, Master, have been amazing. Yeah.